Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Michael and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. In the video I have for you today, we're doing an unboxing of fall and Halloween items, and also afterwards I'm going to do a product review of each thing that we got. Also, if you're like me and you like fall and Halloween, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you can keep up with all our new content coming up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Now that we got through all that awesome unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and start the product review. The first things I'm going to review are the hand soaps, and I'll start with the fall stuff. Okay, the first hand soap that we have here is this Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I will say that I do like this hand soap, but I don't really smell cinnamon or pumpkin in it. It has more of like a fresh, like linen or laundry scent, and it does have a little bit of sweetness, but I just don't feel like it matches the description at all. The next scent that we have is Afternoon Apple Picking, and I like this a lot better. We've had it before, and we also had the candle. I think it smells fresh, and there is definitely a hint of apple in it, but it also has definitely like a perfume tone to it. The next scent that we have is the Perfect Autumn. I also have this in a candle, and I think it just smells perfect, just like it says. We also bought a few Halloween hand soaps as well. This one is called Girlfriend, and it's definitely girly, flowery. It's not really so much Halloweeny, but I think it's fun, so definitely pick this one up if you want. This next scent is called Vampire Blood, and it has notes of jasmine, plum, and red berries. I definitely feel that the red berry stands out the most in this one. I don't really necessarily smell the jasmine, but I do smell a little plum as well. I really like this. I like the fresh fruity smells. I would consider putting this in my kitchen just because I love fruit smells for kitchens. The last hand soap that we have is Wicked Apple, and as it says, this is such an awesome apple scent. I think it reminds me of the sour apple blow pop. It kind of has that little soury smell. I don't even know. It's fun. It's definitely my favorite out of the bunch. The next items that I have for you today are these adorable Rae Dunn mugs. They say Morning Pumpkin and Wakey Wakey, and they both come with coasters. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick the coasters. The first one is a tad darker, and it has more of a rustic look to it. As you can see here, this one's a little bit lighter, a little bit more clean. I went ahead and grabbed another Rae Dunn mug so you guys can see the differences. So as you can see, taking the top off, that the shapes are completely different. This one's made for the coaster, and it also doesn't have the lip rest like these do. It's a tad taller, and the handles are completely different. And another thing that I thought was crazy is these mugs are a lot heavier. The last item that I have for you today is our framed photo that we got made at smallwoodhome.com. They have great sizes, great turnaround, and sometimes they have awesome sales. Definitely check them out. We got this photo taken by our good friend Sarah at Wonderbug Photography. We had such a great time taking these photos at the 22 Acres Farm. We also have a really cool behind the scenes photo shoot video out. Definitely check that out, I'll link it below, as well as the website for this photo frame. I promised you guys a sneak peek of all our fall decor. We hope you enjoy this video, and definitely stay tuned for all our upcoming fall and Halloween videos.
Nothing can trouble me.